New video shows Worcester police at the scene of the deadly stabbing of a woman on Valentine's Day. The man facing charges was in court today.
Investigators say he and the victim were in a relationship. Our NBC 10's Michael Rosenfield joining us with reaction from neighbors.
The Valentine's Day holiday ending in tragedy. A man is accused of stabbing a woman to death inside their apartment here in Worcester. Surveillance video shows police arriving at a home on Douglas Street Valentine's Day evening. Inside a home, they found a woman who'd been stabbed. She later died from her injuries.
It's really sad, you know. I mean, I think she had just gotten to this country to come and work.
Kristen Starkowski lives in the apartment above. She says the man and woman were dating and had just moved in at the beginning of the year, and she had heard them arguing from time to time.
I've heard like shouts and stuff. I didn't really know what they were saying because I think they speak like Creole. But I had heard about them fighting, too, from, like, the landlord.
Police arrested 29-year-old Sadrack Metellus at the scene.
The defendant did make statements that were heard by other individuals in which he indicated that he had, in fact, stabbed the victim and her stab wounds were at his hands.
Metellus has been charged with murder. Neighbors are saddened by the tragedy and on what should have been a happy occasion for a couple celebrating Valentine's Day.
It's terrible because they're supposed to be a day to celebrate in a couple, you know, like sweetheart and everything like that.
Right now, the defendant is being held without bail. Police have not said what the motive for the crime may have been. In Worcester, Michael Rosenfield, NBC 10 Boston.